Charlie, what's going on?
So baby KIARA is getting she got the pediatrician. She getting a second checkup. She gotta get shots today, unfortunately.
I hate that part so much.
Yeah. The first video kind of weird because they don't let us record, so I just try to sneak some up in there. But she, what, how many pounds?
She's 7 pounds 11 ounces now.
7 pounds 11 ounces. So she
But the first time she came, she was
6 pounds. So she gained weight, so that's good.
When we left the hospital, she was 6 pounds 10 ounces, and when she was born, she was 7 pounds.
Look at the little foot. Let me see the little foot. Look at the little foot. Look at the little feet. Yeah, so.
And she's gonna be like always.
Yeah. This the room she gonna be in. Yeah, so. Yeah, and she got a hearing thing today for both her ears, because the last time she come past the left ear.
No, she passed the left ear. She failed the right ear. She passed the left.
Okay, yeah.
Left ear.
So we doing that today because she got to pass it. Yeah. So yeah. After this, we're gonna be going up. So KIARA just got the paper, so she gained almost a pound. No, she did gain a pound, and she grew like an inch. Yeah, so she's doing good. They had to get her some nasal spray for her nose. How she feeling, Jab?
Huh?
So how she feeling?
I feel like she's doing a little better now.
Yeah, they had to get her some spray for her nose. She was congested, but she better now. They're gonna get some blood work, and then we're gonna be on our way to the other doctor so she can get her errand done.
A few moments later.
He is in the doctor's office. Get the baby right here. Now she gotta get her errand done.
Yeah, so she failed her right one, so we gotta make sure she get at least one, you know, pass it.
Yeah. Y'all was hoping she passed this. I think she got it though. I'll be talking to her. You go ahead though. Yeah, I'll be talking to her, so hopefully she able to pass this one, man. She was crying. I gotta get her shot. So number 2, no 3, I think. Oh no, I think it's 3. But yeah. Yeah. So right now she kind of irritated.
3rd floor.
Let's get it like. No, I'll take a number 2.
Is this postpartum or labor and delivery?
I don't know.
I think that's number 2.
Yeah, it might be 2.
Yeah.
You want number 1?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
No problem. Yeah, I know I'm on fire.
Yeah, I haven't seen any pregnant people with babies up here.
2nd floor.
Yeah, I think it's this one.
I think you might be right.
Yeah, it's this one. Alright, no, good luck, man.
Take it easy, guys.
Thank you. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all right here. This one. I know. I went here last time.
How you doing? Yes, we are. Yes. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
A few moments later.
So she did pass it, you guys. She did good. She is down for the count.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Thank God she passed because I was a little nervous. But she had a lot of fluid in her, her ear when I was C-section.
Yeah. What?
We're done for the day. She's irritated, so she's gonna be sick for the rest of the day.
Yeah. See y'all in a minute, man.